Happy Saturday, everyone. It's Chris over at Springs Law Group. Hope everybody's staying warm and driving safe tonight. We've gotten a lot of snow here in Colorado Springs today. And one of the things that prompted me to think about was, what does the state actually have as its rules and regulations in regards to winter driving, things like that, which touch upon Colorado's traction law. And so during winter storms or when conditions require, CDOT, or Colorado Department of Transportation, will implement the traction law. And the traction law, all motorists are required to have either four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive and 3/16 tread depth. And then it continues on a bit, but the Colorado Department of Transportation actually has a really good flow chart that I want to walk through with you guys tonight, so everybody has an idea of what that looks like. And then there's some other specifics that Governor Polis actually added in 2019, kind of updated the traction law as well. So let's take a look at this. So the question you've got to ask yourself, if you have a four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, even if your car is four-wheel drive or all-wheel, CDOT's going to require certain things too, that your vehicle, your tires with a mud or snow designation, winter tires, or tires with an all-weather rating by the manufacturer. So then you ask yourself, well, yeah, I do have all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, and then you have to keep going. Do you have the proper tire tread depth, which is at least 3 16 inches? And then you are prepared at that point, and you meet Colorado's traction law. So it's really important to make sure that as you're going out, especially if you're going skiing this weekend or looking to do that as we're getting this fresh snow, make sure that you're following this out, because actually if you do end up causing an accident and don't have this proper flow right here, you actually could be subject to a pretty hefty fine from, it could be up to $650 alone. And then additionally, obviously, if you're causing an accident too, your insurance rates can go up. You can also then too have issues where, you could potentially have liability issues and things like that as well. So it's one of those important things too that I'd recommend going on to CDOT to take a look at this. If you're traveling on I-70, this runs from September into May. September 1st to May 31st, which is going to be active on I-70 from Cerro to Morrison. So the minimum tread depth for tires on all vehicles have been increased to 3/16 inches. So it's really important that we make sure that we have that as we're traveling to ski or snowboard. I know we got some snow today in Colorado Springs. So just wanted to share this with you guys. So make sure you're checking out that traction law. Make sure you're checking your vehicles before you go out to travel. So it's super important that you guys are prepared, and just wanted to take a few minutes tonight and share that with you as everybody's getting some good snow. I'm sure people are excited to get out a little bit and go enjoy the mountains. But if you do that, just make sure your cars are set up the proper way, and definitely go on to CDOT's site and look up the traction law. And then also check out that flow chart. It's a really good checklist on just how to actually properly make sure that your vehicles are set up properly, so that if you are in an accident, that you're not actually fined or have any other issues. So I hope everybody has a good night. If you do have any questions, feel free and reach out to us at Springs Law Group. We're always happy to help you out. Talk to you later.